In today's video, we have found paradise. What is up guys, today we continue our tour of Cornwall, and today we leave this area and head towards the south into the town of St Ives. Known for its surf beaches, this is made up of several bays, and today we're going to be exploring Carbis Bay, which is stunning. Now before we do go on the beach, we're just going to explore the town, and this town is made up of narrow cobbled streets, has a really nice vibe to it, made up of shops, bars and restaurants. Absolutely stunning little town to have a wander around, highly recommend it. Now all of the bays around this area were really nice, some busier than others, but our favourite by far was Carbis Bay, and that is what we're going to be exploring today. This beach is perfect for families and had a really nice laid back vibe to it. Wasn't overly busy, but had a really stunning shoreline, which is pretty shallow as well at the start, and that's why it's amazing for both adults and kids just to get some fun on this beach. We had a great time messing around on this beach before I went and got the drone up in the air. I do recommend going to the end of the bay with your drone and take off there. It's quieter and you're going to be away from all these people, less distractions, and you can concentrate more on getting this shot. So it's something I always recommend. And again today, like I mentioned in the last video, by using low power mode on my drone with Do Not Disturb on, I had no problems at all with any screen dimming issues. So I'm going to be playing the footage very shortly, so I hope you enjoy this segment now. This is not the Caribbean. This is not the Cancun, the Philippines. This is England. This is drone paradise. All this was filmed 5.4K with an ND32 freewheel filter. No colour grading was needed for this. This is just straight out of the actual drone. Stunning. I have never seen a beach like this before. I've been to a lot of beaches and this is by far my favourite in the UK. This is absolutely stunning, and I'm so happy and grateful to have this drone with me to be able to capture footage like this. You could do this with any drone. As I keep mentioning, the drone moves I use pretty much all the time. The drone moves my favourites, and they get practice daily. And you can do this, so practice with any drone you have. Take your drone with you to these areas and make fantastic memories. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I love St Ives. We had such a great time here on the beach. It was fantastic fun. We got nice weather as well for it and managed to capture some great footage and memories which will last forever. So if you've never been to St Ives and you're just going to Cornwall, you want maybe just one base, St Ives out of the lot for me is by far my favourite. It was great. We have got a couple more Cornwall videos coming where we travel even more south to the bottom of the country, so look forward to them hopefully very soon. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day and enjoy the rest of the videos coming soon. Take care and thanks so much for the support. Bye bye.